A quick way to laminate your work inside of your sketchbooks is to use packing tape. Now you'll just need a roll of packing tape, a pair of scissors, and your prints that are glued down, or the work that's glued down onto any sketchbook page. I already laminated my cover. You can see the packing tape covers every bit of it and is wrapped around the back, so that everything is sealed and it's never going to come out. So to do this, it's really easy. Lay out your work, get a roll of packing tape, and starting at the top where you have extra tape going off the edge of any print that you have on the paper, start laying down strips of packing tape. Notice that I'm going off the edge quite a bit, maybe about an inch or two on each side. Every strip that you put next, you want to overlap it about the size of your pinky finger. So I'm overlapping every strip as I work my way down. Try to keep the tape nice and flat so it doesn't wrinkle. It's okay if it does. You can, if the tape wrinkles, you can burnish it down with the side of the scissors, of the handle of the scissors, but it's always best to try to get it down flat to begin with. When you finish, make sure that just like at the top, the bottom of the tape goes off the edge, the printable edge of whatever it is you're trying to laminate, so that everything is completely sealed and there's no gaps. Then pick your paper up off the table and trim off the excess. Now you have options here. You can trim the excess off right up to the paper edge, or you can leave it a little bit off the edge of the paper, where then you'll be able to fold this around the back to really seal everything in. It depends on what application you're doing. For my cover, I folded it over, but for these individual pages inside the book, I'm gonna actually just trim it off right up to the edge of the paper. And I cut a tiny bit of the paper off just so that it works. But on the other side, I'll demonstrate the method of wrapping it. So I'm gonna cut this off, leaving about the thickness of a pinky finger, maybe 1/4 of an inch. And I'm gonna flip this over, and I'm gonna grab this and turn it over the edge and fold it down on the opposite side so that it seals everything on both sides.